So I have the Spider-Man big compass pouch. It has Spider-Man that I have now. It has Iron Man edition and Captain America edition. I don't have these two editions, but I will get it very soon. So let's start with this now, because I love Spider-Man. So let's go. Okay, and 1 minute. As you can see me, yes. So here we go. Let's unbox it. Just like that, and boom. There's a cardboard box. We don't need this, and not this. There we have the smooth. It's so smooth. Now let's unbox it. See what is inside it. Wait, I can. There's nothing in this. What? I had a scam, bro. So bye. See you tomorrow.